Hello friends. Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to train your ChatGPT to understand you and how to train your ChatGPT to do exactly what you want. It's like having an expert in any field next to you for free. I learned this method from the classes that I took, and now I want to share this with everyone who wants to take ChatGPT to the next level. We will be using ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, just create one for me. Even though I have the Pro version, but you don't need a Pro version for this. You can use the free version. Open up ChatGPT and go to your account right here. Click on it. Go to Customize ChatGPT. Here in the custom instructions, you enter your information. Whatever you want ChatGPT to know about you. Next, scroll down to the second session. How would you like ChatGPT to respond to you? And I want you to put in this prompt. You don't have to use it. You can customize your own prompt, but this prompt has worked amazing for me. The prompt is included in the description below. Click Save. Back to the main screen. Click on Create New Chat, and I want you to put this prompt. This prompt is very detailed, and ChatGPT will do exactly what you want it to do. This prompt is in the description below. This prompt is to create a master expert of ChatGPT, and from this master expert, you can create other experts in specific fields or niche that you want to work with. I will show you. Next, ask the master expert to create for you an expert in writing script. Because of the detailed prompt that we had earlier, it will generate an expert in writing script for you. Once you have the writing script expert, it gives you two options of writing style that you can choose from. You might get just one writing style, depending on your version. Copy this script and then open up a new chat and paste that script in the new chat. This is creating a new writing script expert. From here, whatever script you want to write, you just tell this expert to write for you. And if it doesn't give you the results that you want, then tell the expert again until it understands exactly what you want. Remember, the expert is trying to understand you, and also for you to understand how to ask the right questions and how to get the right answers. I talked to ChatGPT for so long that I came to understand exactly how it works. And of course it will make mistakes, but you have to rewrite your prompt to make it work. Let's create another expert. I will ask it to create an expert for me in health. Make sure to go back to the original chat that we created. Let's rename our expert so we know exactly where to go to when we need it. To do so, hover over to that thread. Go to the three dots and click on Rename. I will rename it to Master of ChatGPT. And I will name this expert as Script Expert ChatGPT. And this time, I want it to create for me an expert in health. Make sure to go back to the master of ChatGPT to create for you an expert in health. Repeat the same steps as before. Once the expert is created, copy that and open up a new chat and paste it in there. And go over to the toolbar to rename that particular chat expert. I will help you create 2 more experts, an expert in mindset and the other expert in writing ebooks. These 2 experts have helped me tremendously. Remember, whatever experts comes to mind, you can use the same process to create it. This has been a game changer for me in creating content for my YouTube channel. Our last expert that I will create with you will be an ebook expert. If you are someone who likes to write ebooks to sell but is lacking the script, this will be your expert. When using the script expert, I usually ask the expert to craft for me a narration-ready script that includes a powerful hook, engaging title, good thumbnail description, powerful body, with cliffhangers to keep the audience wanting to watch my video. Everyone is different, so have fun and enjoy. If this video gives any values to you, help me like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more free tutorials. See you on my next video.